Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Super Surf. Let's run. Let's fresh. Go over. Now. Over. Down. Go ahead and get a pool stick. Okay guys, next thing. After, again, think tomorrow or a day after of that, I'm going to be having a hoverboard because I'm getting a hoverboard. Okay, guys. I'm going to be having a hoverboard, so I'm going to post on here. Guys, I'm not lying if you think I am. So whoever thinks I am lying, no, I am not lying. If I'm lying, you'll see on the day. I get it. So, wish luck. We'll go ahead and get the deck pack. Slide over here. Look at all these coins.
Alright, I will call Dr. Lyons and make an appointment tomorrow. Baby.
Okay, I don't got the remote, yeah. Go ahead and go over, get this, and get this.
Another C-. Jordan, is everything alright at home?
I think so. Why?
Well, I scheduled a parent-teacher conference with your aunt and uncle for last night, but they didn't show.
They didn't?
Didn't call today either. That's not like them. I assume something came up.
So, I don't know why I haven't been talking, but
I missed it.
let's go.
Meal.
And hopefully I just killed him. Even though I didn't.
He's one of my wives.
Congratulations.
Like, you can only go up so high. Once you go high, it'll start to drop you. See, watch. Watch this. See, it's like a limit.
Pause.
Right now.
Yes.
Yes.
I just got on the roof. I was hyped.
Stops, like, way up here.
It's starting already, and they're not even pregnant yet.
These coins.
Hey, baby, don't you hear me calling? Come on, we gotta go.
What?
Get them coins right here.
No, we're not going.
What?
I made a mistake, and it's blue.
I get mad at these collecting
I
things.
woke up this morning, and I just knew.
So, just landed.
Yeah, they get them both.
I'm not really used to talking, so if you hear me not talking, just skip the video a little, and then you'll see me talking. Ooh, I want that car.
I'm
And
gonna
he
put
just
like
runs
5
by.
or 3 times.
Hey, look, bud, you have a plane. You have a plane. Those suckers don't have a plane. I can't get
Trying to get 100 subscribers. I was gonna subscribe me, please. Post it. Thing. Jump on this freaking thing. I'm gonna stop. I call them cookies instead of coins.
So,
Don't know why I call them cookies. They're not cookies,
so
they're
I'm just
freaking
going to see
coins.
how high I can go.
I don't know why I call them
And
that.
I'm just going to press the
Here
down
we
button.
guys. don't know why I call them that. I'm gonna try to get all these coins the best I can. I'm using cat freaking cookie freaking cookie got another freaking jetpack. Wow. Here. Trying to get a new high score. Go over here. Down. Don't want to miss the coins. I like getting cookies. Guys, I'm still calling them Dave's Cookie. Maybe the next video, y'all guys hit me up and code and tell them, why are you calling cookies? Why are you calling them coins cookies? I know they're not cookies. I just call them because they're my favorite thing to call them. Because, you know, I like cookies. Freaking like cookies. See, the cookie magnet. That's what I'm gonna call this from now on, the cookie magnet. I'm gonna try to get all them coins. I'm gonna call them the cookie thing. Slide over the cookie. It has already on here, so those of you who want thingy, I'm gonna beat this girl. I'm gonna beat this girl. Polo stick. Oh guys, I just got spot.
So guys, that was all for today.
But
See you next time. See you next time.
yours is not high.
So, bye. That was all for
Guys,
today.
I just got a new high score. So
For tomorrow. The app I use.
stay tuned for I'm gonna do another video after this. So stay tuned after this video.
Let me see if they can
I'll catch you up guys later. This is how you record. You go on MC. And bye guys.